Let the earth remind you, growth doesn't have to be loud to be real. It doesn't need applause, milestones, or big announcements. Sometimes growth is quiet, like roots deepening under soil, like pine trees stretching taller while no one's watching. Your healing, your blooming, can be soft and still sacred. You are allowed to grow gently, to expand inward, to change without noise. And even if no one else sees it, you will feel it. You're becoming, and that's enough. Subscribe to Soft Days Studio for more moments like